Hello everyone, let's start the course. So right now I was just downloading Bandicam, that is a screen recording application. Here I can see myself as well as like whatever content I am preparing, I can write it about some title of it. From where we can run SQL queries or SQL. Okay, so there are 2 to 3 applications which is in my mind and I will go through it. Basically, you will able to learn SQL from YouTube. That is one of the best source you can ping. So there is one of the best application, that is the W3School SQL. Okay. So if you'll open this one, you will able to find all the content like how to update, how to delete, how to min max, and what is inner joint, what is outer joint. You can learn each and everything like primary key, foreign key, how to check, how to auto increment. Means there are multiple things to be learned on SQL. So you can, this is the best application from where I learned the things. So just I will give one example. Like this is the select query. You can try it by yourself. Okay, there are too many like there is 91 record as of now. So I just want to check the contact name as Maria. How many contacts are there? So I can write it uh, like where contact name equals to. Okay. So in this way, we just need to give the specific name like ma'am Maria Anders or something is like Anna. Okay. But if I just know the first or the last name, what I can do, I can just like contact name like, then just double single quotation percent to percent, then write Maria and note this one and run it. So this, in this way you got to know there is two row in which the contact name is Maria and the surname is different, and they are the details. Okay, and if you want to know just the customer ID and the customer name and contact name, you can get it by this way. This is the best application to learn SQL. But if you want to learn through the course, so there is one free code SQL course, so free code camp, in which you first need to enroll it, and after that you will get the video content, you will get all the things which is needed to be learned, and there are multiple ways they will teach you. But in this, in SQL, you need to read it out the content, and after that you can try it by using either just by self writing, or you can at the end of this you can write, you can give the exam as well, like insert this. So I just need to write select, submit it out. Okay, submit, this is correct, sorry, then select star, select. Okay, the statement which is star from customer name, or from customer name. You can get this if it is specific, you just can do by this way. Okay, so here you need to write city. So this is just I want to show you, that's why I have wrote it wrong. Okay, so you will get multiple things. Select, then you need to write what you want. You want only the customer table. Okay, sorry, select the value. So here you need to write different value for the cost, distinct, distinct. Okay, so this way you will get to know things. Okay, there where clause, how to write where clause. So where city equals to single quotation Berlin. So there are multiple things, and you need to self write it, just self read it. But in free code you will get the content, you will get the video, and best thing which I told you, that is YouTube. So I have routed. There is one more is Code Academy. There is Khan's Academy, and then there is Free Code Camp. for SQL. And then best thing is YouTube. Here you can learn each and everything. Thank you for the day. We'll start making video on daily basis. So if you want me to teach you SQL or any specific thing, you can comment it out.